Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. We will learn how to unlock Lua in Warframe. Lua, also known as the moon, is locked behind story progression and cannot be accessed at the start of the game. As you can see, I have recently downloaded the game, so to unlock it, you must first complete the main story quest called the Second Dream. Before the second dream becomes available, you need to progress through the star chart, which includes completing earlier story quests and unlocking junctions, leading up to finishing the Neptune junction on Uranus. This allows the quest to appear. To unlock the second dream, just go to Uranus and make sure you have completed the Neptune junction. Once the second dream appears and you complete the quest, Lua will automatically unlock. Open your star chart and you will see Lua appear near the Earth. It usually appears on the right-hand side of the Earth. You can now travel to Lua like any other location and access its unique mission types and enemies, such as sentience and rewards tied to the Orican moon tile set. And that's it. We just learned that Lua unlocks after completing the second dream quest, which requires progressing through the star chart and junctions first. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.